Ready for the next show. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, guys gonna beat up on the hands. He gets used to that.
I'll just zoom in on it.
I need to sit on there, take my picture.
Loud noises and scary sights bother you, I would suggest that you close your eyes and put your fingers over your ears for just a few minutes. All right, Gay's going to light the fuse on the anvil. The fuse is now lit. I'm supposed to say fire in the hole, fire in the hole. You can see the smoke, the fuse going. In just a few moments, the anvil will blow. Be ready for it. Don't blink. Hang on, here it comes.
Man, that was a good one. Damn, man, that one was about twice as high as last time. Twice as high as last year.
You may now pause.
Oh yeah. You gotta do it without the flash though. Or the flash washes it out.
Oldest female rider is Arlene Newman.
This is great. I don't know why it's even interesting, but it is.
I know, that's me too. It doesn't make sense. Maybe launching stuff that wasn't intended to be launched makes sense.
You know what? It's always fun when you see stuff blow up, you know?